Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and welcome to the trailer for the exclusive video of the month. I'm happy to announce that channel memberships have been enabled on this channel now, and that all the Patreon exclusives are now available directly through YouTube memberships. So if you're not keen on moving off platform to Patreon, it's super easy to join up now as a channel member. Anyhow, this month's exclusive video is the Gran Toro Paracord bracelet. Another great design by Thomas Puringer. Gran Toro translates to Big Bull, and you can see that evident in the design here, with these strands on the side of the bracelet looking like cow horns. So it's a super cool design and it was fun to make. So anyhow, a huge thank you to all my current Patreon members and YouTube channel members. And for those of you that aren't aware, I do make these exclusive videos to help support the channel. And for a low monthly price, you can get access to a wealth of exclusive tutorial videos and access to our Weavers of Eternity Discord server, where we hang out and share our work. So if you've been enjoying the content on this channel and want to support directly, link to my Patreon page is in this video, or you can hit that join button next to the subscribe button at the bottom of the video. I thank you for even considering. And for those already supporting, thank you all so very much.